Hello and welcome to my channel Shine with Akshata. Last time we had seen something very interesting, that was quarantine timetable and why it is required to make a quarantine timetable first of all, and then we had seen in detail how to make it and how to execute it. And the basic motive of making that timetable was to upgrade yourself, to learn and upgrade yourself. So today, in today's video, we are going to talk about a skill that everyone should develop in order to become a good learner. So what is that skill? That skill is a listening skills. So everybody of us should have a good and sound listening skill if you want to learn something new and upgrade yourself. So when it comes to learning, is there only the source available, that is taking a course? So taking a professional course from some institute or some web portal is the only way? No, it is not the only way. So there are so many people around us, like our seniors, like our juniors, then our team members are there, then your teachers are there, then maybe your parents, or if you have a kid, then your kid. So there are so many people around us who are also having some of the other thing good in them. So if we have a listening skill, then what is going to happen is we are going to able to tap these sources. Also, we have a plenty of information, ocean of information available on the internet. There are audios, there are videos, there are ebooks, there are so many things that are available. So how are we going to tap all these sources? So very important is to have a good listening skills. So before getting into how to develop or what kind of a listener we should be, let's understand the difference between a listener and somebody who is hearing. Okay, so listening and hearing. So hearing is actually a physiological process. So we all of us have two ears, so there is a sound that is going to come on our ear and we are bound to hear it. So we don't have option to but to hear. But when it comes to listening, it is a conscious effort. So right now when you are watching this video, you have an option to listen to this video, or if you don't feel like listening, you can just exit the video. So you have an option whether to listen to person or not. So that is why listening is a conscious effort. So that is why we have to develop a good listening skill so that we can effectively learn things. So also when it comes to communication, there are four ways of communication. One could be reading, one could be talking, or one could be writing, or one could be listening. So these are the four ways in which we communicate with each other. Amongst this, listening is the basic, primary and very important way of communication. Why? Because even when you want to talk to someone, okay, so when you're talking and communicating, before that in your mind you're going to talk to yourself, what are those points I'm going to share, and what are those points I'm not going to share. So actually you're in a way listening to yourself. So that is why listening comes ahead of even talking. So that is how important listening skill is. And if you develop this skill of good listening, then what is going to happen is you are going to develop a very proactive approach when it comes to learning new things. So you will be always open to learn when you have a good listening skill. Now there are three types of listening or listeners, and we have to select among these three which type we want to be into. So first is marginal listeners. Marginal listener is a person who is a kind of a person who is always having a distracted mind. So whenever he is talking to someone or listening something, he is going to have a distracted mind. He will always have some other thought going on in the back of the mind, and always whenever there is some complex information that is coming to him, he will find escape ways and just try to avoid listening. Okay, so these are kind of people who are those kind of people who are having a distracted and always diverted mindset. So we definitely don't want to be a marginal listener, because just imagine if you are a marginal listener, how are you going to learn? There is going to be no learning absolutely if you are a marginal listener. So that is why we don't want to be a marginal listener. Then the second type is evaluating listener. So if you want to focus on this evaluating listener, these are the people who are always going to have some kind of judgment. Okay, so whether they will have a judgment that is formed for the person who is talking, or they will, while talking, they will form judgment. So they will always pass some kind of a judgment. So they are busy in judging the person who is talking. So even this kind of a people, they cannot be effective learners, because they are busy in not learning but judging the person. So we also don't want to be evaluating listener. Then what is the third is active or empathetic listener. Why the word empathetic? Because these are the people who are never going to judge the person. They are going to listen to the person completely, critically, and then they are going to found the opinion for that person. So that is why they are also called as empathetic. And the other name is active listener. Why active listener? Because they are involved completely in the listening process. So they are always alert when it comes to getting some information for someone. So that is why they also have a quality of mental paraphrasing. What is mental paraphrasing? Mental paraphrasing means whenever you listen something, you will jot down some key points from that whatever that person has just talked to you, and then you will try to analyze the information that is coming to you. So this is the way we have to become. So we have to become active learners or empathetic learners. If we want to have a good learning of some topic, then we have to be actively listening to the person who is talking or who is sharing information. So very important is to first of all listen to someone, then you will be able to learn, and then you will be able to upgrade yourself. And if you do this, then then there will be no tension for you to losing a job or losing your market share. If you are a businessman or as a student, you will never have the tension of not getting a suitable job profile for yourself or job opportunities. So that is how important is listening skills. So I hope you find this video very informative and very useful. I hope you will try to become an active or empathetic listener. And if you like this video, please do like the video and also share it to your friends. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it right now. It's absolutely free. And also place the bell icon so that you come to know whatever the new updates that I'm coming up. And see you in the next week. Till then, keep learning, keep shining.